In this video, I will show you how to make text preset on CapCut. So I'll show you how to make the text preset and how to use it on your CapCut. First of all, here is now my text. After you insert the text in the timeline, now go to this effect. So now I will insert this as an effect for the text. So now if I want to save this as a preset, I will right click on the text and then go to save as preset. So now it will create the preset for me. So now the preset has been created. If you want to see the preset, go to media, go to yours, and then go to my preset. So if you scroll to down here, you'll be able to see your preset that you created. So now if you want to use it on a new project, all you have to do, just let's say I want to delete this one. So if you want to use this text preset on a new project, now import it to timeline like this. So now import your new text. So now I want to apply the preset of this one in my new text. So all you have to do now, right click on the preset and then go to on compound clip. So after you undo compound clip, now right click on the text and then go to copy attributes. So now go to your new text that you created. Here is it now. I'll right click on it and then go to paste attribute. So now go to paste. So now if I delete this one, delete the preset. So as you can see now, here is my new text. As you can see now, the preset has been added to my new preset, to my new text. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.